as far as the aviation is concerned, you see or you hear sometimes that we have a crash, unfortunately. And this crash of the airplane is, what do you think? You think that it's caused by, mostly by the pilots, by the crew members, not because of the technology. Technology is now very good, and we have very good technology, but we have problem with the people. We have taxiway, we have takeoff, we have cruise, and we have descending and landing. As you can see here, the fatal accidents, about 12% in taxiway, and also about 20% in takeoff, and just 8% in the air, and about 36% when the plane were landing. You know, this is the fatal accidents, fatal, and also the onboard fatalities was mostly on the let's say takeoff and landing. And you know that most of the time that are on the air are just when they are in the top, when they are flying in the top in the cruise situation. So we can say that 57.2% of general aviation accidents occur during just 6% of flight time. 6% of flight time that will be here and here. Landing, and mostly landing, and also in takeoff. These two parts are mostly important for us. And if you go and if you analyze it to see the causes for the accidents, we can see that pilot error is in the top. So in 1960s was about 60%, but even now is about 60%. So didn't change, unfortunately. So the problem with pilot, we have mostly pilot.